if you guys can tell, I'm really excited today, and that's because one, this vlog is going to be super fun and super exciting, but that's because one of my really good friends from Vancouver is going to be coming today and visiting me for the week, and we're going to have so many cool things and exciting things planned. It's also Valentine's Day, and next week is reading week, so I can I don't have classes, so I can spend more time with her and everything. So yeah, so exciting. Liz! What the heck? Yo, sauce with sesame oil. Bro has 10 pounds of hoisin sauce.
Ahena.
Guys, there's a snowstorm.
Oh my god.
I can't feel my face.
We're with you. I ain't gonna hold this up the entire time.
Yeah, that's okay.
No, but it looks dark as hell.
No, it's okay. Okay, guys, we're back from T. Oh, sheeple. Sorry. We're back from TNT, and we ate dinner. Hell yeah! And we got caught in the snowstorm. Hell yeah! But let's give you a haul. First off, we have the OG bulldog carbonara instant noodles. You're so unserious, bro. Yeah, we got two because we like big bag like that.
Both of these are for her because she's big bag.
Okay, bro bought durian waffles because she's what are these? Wafers. Wafers because she obsessed with durian.
I love durian.
Yo,
I love.
And then we got this pack. It has like 5 packs inside. So, you know.
Indomie.
Yeah, Indomie instant noodles.
Mee goreng.
Yeah, stir fry noodles. This is the goat. If you haven't eaten this, you're uncultured.
Real. If you're Asian, if you haven't eaten that.
Yeah, hashtag fake.
Real.
This is gomtang.
Gomtang.
Yeah. Beef flavored noodles. This is the one that our high school used to serve.
Gomtang.
Gomtang. This is the one our high school used to serve. Kind of like OG, like nostalgia, bruh.
Real. Hey, my phone.
Sorry. Okay, and then we also got, we got this too. Anything with pink packaging, you already know it's good. Bacon carbonara. We don't know this brand, but it sounds really good. So, yeah. I think it has 4 packs inside. Yeah, kind of goated. Something new to try.
Something new.
Yes. And then we also got drinks, aka the best. Mango, the Vita brand. Y'all know. Just the goat. Yeah. Thanks for watching our TNT haul, guys. Okay, what else are we gonna do today? We're going to shower, and then we're gonna see if we can catch a movie in the movie room upstairs, and then go to sleep. And tomorrow, it's possible that my classes will get canceled because of snowstorm, which is really rare for Toronto. So yeah, but we will see. Okay, bye! We're making bulldog ramen. This is the goat, bro. Hashtag goat. The noodles now.
I would do it for the other flavors, but not for this because I actually don't put it in yet.
Oh, why?
You want it soupy?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what you're supposed to do.
You put it in, you let it cook first for like...
The water?
Yeah.
Oh.
You let the noodles cook.
Oh, shit.
Then once you're done, you poke in here.
Okay.
And then you drain out the water. Unless you want soupy bulldog noodles.
Ah. Okay, wait, never mind. Let's not do soupy. Oh shit. Okay, I gotta hold this for like the next 5 minutes. Bro, okay.
Okay.
Oh, I get it now.
Yeah, you get it now.
Wait, I've never had non-soupy noodles. That's why. Okay. Oh shit.
Yo, shit ass.
Pour it like faster. Okay, shit.
It's still. What part of this is leaking?
It's okay. Yay, success! Da-dang, da-dang. I don't think that's comparable.
Oh, it's good though. That's good.
Oh, I can't do it now. So we're back and we're having another ramen session because we love it. We're gonna be eating carbonara bacon. We've never tried this brand before, but we're super excited. So, yes. And the packaging is like really pretty. So yeah, let's. Oh, and we're gonna have mango drink. This is the goat. If you guys saw yesterday in our haul. Yeah. So we're gonna cook it and we'll be back. The thing, it comes with this, which I have no idea what this is. Then it comes with this pink packaging, which I'm pretty sure is the carbonara. And oh, maybe this, I don't know. But since we don't have bowls at my place, we're cooking it in the same bulldog bowl that we used earlier. We're gonna be using this as our bowl for like 1 week. So hashtag. Yeah, bro. You can see the noodles are cooking. Wait, that looks so good.
It does, right? Oh, it smells good. Yeah, type shit.
Type shit. I think we got scammed because like a lot of the noodles look so dry, but whatever. Wait, taste test.
Taste testing.
Taste test it.
I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this. This one, like, are these clumps supposed to be bacon?
Actually, it doesn't taste bad. Actually, it tastes kind of good. Not gonna lie, like it's a little dry, but like I think it tastes better than it looks.
No, it's not bad.
Okay, what would you rate the bulldog?
10 out of 10.
Okay, and then what would you rate this one?
Maybe like a 8.5.
Oh, really? That high?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like,
I give bulldog 10 out of 10. I give this like a 7.5 out of 10.
I was thinking 7 too. But like, it's not bad. Like, I would buy this again. Just, I think we needed to learn.
No, I think
Over bulldog?
no, literally no. I'm saying that like I wouldn't buy this again because there's bulldog, so we should buy bulldog.
That's true. Which was cheaper? Well, obviously bulldog because this is just 1 cup. You know what I mean?
No, but technically in general, if you look at the pricing per pack, cup noodles like the ones that come in this is more expensive. So technically this will be cheaper, but if you compare bowl to bowl, then I don't know. Megan.
Rate it out of 10.
Like a 9 out of 10, that's not cool.
Okay. If it was cold, it would be 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Really?
Actually, no, minus 0.5 because it has a paper straw. Oh, paper straw is fine.
I would. Yeah, this park is like, if you were to be in a K-drama. On God. For real, oh shit. These are a little confusing, but okay. Yeah! My regular shoes! I'll never complain about you again!
Guys, we just went skating.
Sorry.
We just went skating for like 30 minutes. 2 out of 10, guys. Do not recommend. It was so bad.
I fell. I wasn't even on the ice, bruh.
like
stickers, the
everything
color
I've
ones.
ever used. Ever.
Amazing artist.
I seen you.
It's like harder. I remember me being non-verbal. He also said
Peace.
Cooking. Cheese. Yeah.
Yeah. Apparently the crowd was like super dead. Oh my god. I also look crusty. Yo, what's up, guys? We just came back from 3 hours of gaming, walking in a windstorm, literally getting shat on by the snow. But we did shopping, yay! So basically the other day when you saw us dyeing Liz's hair, we got scammed and I did a shit job, so we're gonna do it again, part 2. We got another box of bleach, and we decided to buy the Western brand of purple. Hopefully it shows better results than the fucking last one because it pissed me off. So yeah. And then I also got this. It's the Esther Bunny collab. It's like super cute, bruh. It's like it's called the Super Melting Sebum Softener, so I can actually have nice skin. Surprising, I know. And then also I got this eyelash glue because I ran out. So yeah, we're gonna be doing round 2 of Liz's hair dyeing process. Yay! Okay, bye bye.